Hello and welcome to Sarvaa Organics. I'm Joshua Hoffman and I wanted to tell you about what we make. First thing to understand is that we use 100% organic superfoods. What are those? Well, these are foods that we refer to as having all upside and no downside. That means they come with zero toxic load and they're packed full of micronutrients that are hard to find in a standard American diet. Now, these nutrients are also in their whole food form, which means they're recognized by your cells and easy to absorb and use. And they can be ready in seconds. Just add them to water or juice or your favorite plant-based milk, make a smoothie, or add them to your meal. Now, the first category to understand is our protein meal replacement powders. That includes Pacha protein, Cacao Plus, Sita protein, Sacred Strength, Maha chocolate, and 30G. In general, these specific formulas are a blend of protein and micronutrients designed to replace the weakest meal in your day. Our most popular formula is Pacha protein, which is a blend of plant-based proteins, and our SupraGreens powder, so it's protein in greens. Next is Cacao Plus, which is similar to Pacha in that it has plant-based proteins and SupraGreens, but it also is packed full of cacao, so it has a lot more energy and a slightly lower protein content, which can be good for those of you watching your insulin. And then there's Sita protein powder, which is designed for healing the gut. It's a blend of low glycemic impacting plant proteins, Ayurvedic herbs designed to help heal the gut, and a ton of probiotics. And then there's 30G, which is just plant protein for those of you who are just looking to up your protein per serving. We have Maha chocolate, which is a blend of cacao, SupraGreens, plant-based proteins, and a bite of chili. We also have a sampler of these proteins, so in case you want to try all of them to see which ones really suit your body, get the meal replacement protein powder sampler. The second category is our supplement replacement powders, which are antioxidant-rich powders designed to help you thrive at the cellular level and designed to help your body recover from free radical damage. The antioxidants and phytonutrients provide the right raw material for your cells to express healthy DNA. Epigenetics. They also provide rare phytonutrient-rich prebiotics for your microbiome, as well as help your hair, your skin, and your nails look really healthy. This category includes Superfruit C, which is our immune-boosting vitamin C powder. It includes SupraGreens, which is our concentrated greens formula full of rare vitamins and minerals. It includes Golden Bliss, which is our anti-inflammatory turmeric-focused blend. It includes Chlorella Blast, which is great for detoxing heavy metals, is a great source of healthy omegas and plant-based proteins. And there's Adrenal Assist, which is fantastic for nourishing the adrenal glands as well as the endocrine system as a whole. And there's Hormone Happiness, which is a sweet-focused adaptogen blend designed to help you recover from stress and maintain homeostasis with your hormones. The next category is our Vibrant Biome Probiotics. This is a blend of probiotics, sporebiotics, and prebiotics designed to help your microbiome thrive. They're packed full of Bacillus strains, which are sporebiotics that are designed to survive harsh conditions like sunlight, weather, and cold. The probiotic is covered in a shell that is guaranteed to survive your stomach acid and also makes them shelf stable, so they don't require refrigeration. These formulas are designed to reinvigorate your microbiome, help you recover from antibiotics, as well as just help ensure that the biodiversity of your gut is where you want it to be. They'll bolster the immune system, they'll help your genetic expression, they'll also ensure that you're creating the right types of short-chain fatty acids to help your cells thrive. The next category is our True Full Spectrum CBD. I say true full spectrum because it contains chlorophyll, mineral salts, as well as all of the cannabinoids in a variety of their expressions. They're fantastic for lowering chronic inflammation, for increasing your pain tolerance, as well as they are the best sleep aid that we have ever come across. They're safe and encouraged to use on a regular basis. They're safe for children and they're safe for pets. We also make a variety of coffee replacements, herbal tinctures, as well as artisan chocolate bars. There's a lot going on here, so please consider trying one of our sample packs. We have sampler packs for our meal replacement protein powders and for our supplement replacement powders. Great for trying something new or sharing with your friends and family. For more information, please visit sarvaaorganics.com and consider signing up for our newsletter so that I can send you coupon codes regularly, as well as share with you my personal practices that are really helping me thrive. Thank you for listening, and please reach out to me if you have any questions.